Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is 6 best platforms to build an e-commerce website in 2022. Online shopping is booming. Part of this is the ongoing pandemic, but part of it is also a trend that's been growing for a long time. This is good news for sellers because with the right tools, it is easy for any small business to quickly start selling online and join the gold rush. With a decent e-commerce website builders, you can list your products, take payments, and handle shipping all without leaving the comfort of your home office. We looked at more than 50 different options for building e-commerce website. There are solutions for every kind of businesses. This is not to say our picks won't work for other kind of businesses, but if you are selling a couple of dollars a month worth of Lightroom preset or $5 million worth of potatoes, you might want to look elsewhere. What makes a great e-commerce platform for small businesses? For small business looking to sell online, with identified 5 key features that every platform had to offer. There are other good platforms out there, but if they don't offer a feature on the list, they did not make a cut. E-commerce platform fees. While we are talking about pricing, it can get a little complicated with e-commerce platforms as they charge a little differently from other services. There are 3 kinds of fees you may have to pay for e-commerce website builder. Best e-commerce platform for getting up and running quickly. Shopify has been around the more than 15 years with more than 2 million stores built using the platform, and it's hard to find better options for most small businesses looking to get an online stores up and running quickly. Sign up for a credit card free 14-day trial, and within a few minutes you can have a first build of your store ready to go. The onboarding wizard walks you through adding your products, customizing the look of your store, connecting your own domain, and getting set up to take those all important payments. While, while Shopify ticks most boxes right out the gate, it is extensibility and App Store are what really make it such a powerful option. Take the theme situation. Shopify has 10 free themes and more than 50 paid themes starting from $140 to browse them. To go to themes and then under theme library, click visit them store. Not a bad selection, right? It is the same with the almost any feature you could want. You want if it is not built into Shopify, you can find an extension, plugin, or services that does it the App Store. Best e-commerce platform for selling in person and online. If you want the option to sell in person like as a farmer market or a craft fair, as well as you throw your online store, Square is the best choice. Your online and offline orders are all organized under a single dashboard, as there's no jumping between apps, trying to track out customers' details using random spreadsheets or having to enter things manually after any defect. Square bought the website builder app Weebly in 2018, so when you set up your store, that's won't running under the hood. If you are essentially see URL direct to weebly.com, it's nothing to worry about. Square has some of the best onboarding around. When you sign up, you have to fill in a quick questionnaire about your businesses and big needs.